Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be learning how to remove YouTube Shorts. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Now to remove YouTube Shorts is fairly straightforward, so this tutorial shouldn't take that long. So what we want to do first is we're going to go ahead and open up the YouTube app. So now you'll have the YouTube Shorts located just below here. You'll not see it straight away. So there we are, there's the YouTube Shorts. Now we do have a couple of them. There are more on this if we keep scrolling through the different videos. So to go ahead and delete this, you'll see three little dots on the top right. So it's a little bit hard to see, but just click on that and then you'll be able to select the not interested. So go ahead and click not interested. Now make sure you do this for each of the shorts, like so. Okay, so now that we've got all the shorts deleted, all we now need to do is scroll all the way up, which we'll do now, and we'll go ahead and refresh the YouTube app. And if we scroll back down to where we were, as you can see, it's completely gone. So that is the YouTube Shorts completely removed. Now of course you may want to remove it for the pure temptation of scrolling through it several times and it may be a distraction. So that's the easiest way to remove YouTube Shorts from YouTube. So folks, there you have it. That is how to remove YouTube Shorts on YouTube. If you guys have any questions at all regarding the video, or if you found it helpful, please do leave us a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.